When it comes to enhancing the security and safety of your home, one of the most effective yet often overlooked solutions is outdoor lighting. In Flower Mound, Texas, where residents enjoy a blend of suburban living and easy access to nature, outdoor lighting plays a crucial role in making your property safer, more secure, and more welcoming. Whether you're looking to protect your home from intruders, ensure safe passage around your yard, or simply improve your curb appeal, outdoor lighting can be the key to achieving these goals. In this article, we'll explore the numerous benefits of Flower Mound outdoor lighting for security and safety, and how it can improve both the functionality and aesthetic of your home. Deter crime and increase security. One of the most significant advantages of outdoor lighting is its ability to deter criminal activity. A well-lit home is much less likely to be targeted by burglars or vandals. Intruders are typically hesitant to approach a property that is illuminated because it increases the likelihood of being seen. By installing outdoor lighting around your Flower Mound home, you send a clear message to potential criminals that your property is protected and monitored, making them think twice before attempting any illegal activity. Motion sensing lights are especially effective for security purposes. These lights only turn on when they detect movement, ensuring that your outdoor areas are only illuminated when needed. This feature not only saves energy but also acts as an effective deterrent. Motion-activated lights near your entryways, garage, or driveway can alert you to any activity and deter intruders from approaching your home. Improve visibility and prevent accidents. Safety is not just about preventing crime. It's also about ensuring that you and your loved ones can move around your property safely, especially at night. Flower Mound's outdoor lighting solutions can improve visibility around walkways, driveways, and stairways, significantly reducing the risk of slips, trips, and falls. Whether you're coming home late after work or hosting a gathering in the evening, proper outdoor lighting ensures that everyone can navigate your property safely. Pathway lights, deck lights, and floodlights can illuminate these commonly used areas to prevent accidents. They are especially important for families with young children or elderly relatives who may have difficulty seeing in the dark. By providing adequate lighting around walkways, you enhance the safety of your home and create a more welcoming environment for visitors. Highlight key entry points. Outdoor lighting is essential for ensuring that key entry points to your home, such as doors and windows, are well lit and visible. Having these areas illuminated not only makes it more difficult for criminals to approach unnoticed but also adds an extra layer of security. Flower Mound homeowners can choose from a variety of lighting solutions, such as porch lights, floodlights, and sconces, to highlight doors and windows effectively. Additionally, motion sensor lights near entryways or garage doors act as a visual cue that alerts you to anyone approaching. This not only helps prevent break-ins but also ensures that you can identify visitors or deliveries, making your home more secure overall. Properly lit entry points can also reduce the chance of accidents when opening or closing doors, especially at night. Create a safer environment for your family. Beyond deterring crime, outdoor lighting is an important aspect of family safety. Whether you're walking your dog, having a late-night barbecue, or enjoying the evening air in your backyard, the right lighting helps ensure that every outdoor space is safe and functional. Lighting installed around pools, gardens, and backyard areas not only makes these spaces more inviting but also prevents accidents and injuries. For homes with children or pets, having well-lit outdoor areas is essential. Installing lighting around play areas, fences, and gates can help you keep an eye on your little ones while they enjoy the outdoors, even when the sun has set. With adequate lighting, you can ensure that they stay safe while playing, while also being able to spot any potential hazards or obstacles. Increase property value and appeal. Outdoor lighting not only benefits your home's security and safety but also enhances its overall curb appeal. A well-lit exterior creates a welcoming atmosphere and showcases the beauty of your property at night. Whether you want to highlight your landscaping, accentuate architectural features, or create an inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings, outdoor lighting adds value to your property by making it more visually appealing. A home with thoughtful outdoor lighting is more attractive to potential buyers as well. When it comes time to sell, a well-lit exterior makes a positive first impression and can make your property stand out in a competitive real estate market. Buyers often value homes with practical features like security lighting, which provide both aesthetic and functional benefits. Eco-friendly lighting solutions. Many Flower Mound homeowners are choosing energy-efficient outdoor lighting options to reduce their environmental impact. LED lights and solar-powered lights are excellent choices for those looking to minimize their energy consumption while still enjoying the benefits of outdoor lighting. These eco-friendly solutions use less energy, last longer, and can be integrated into motion sensing systems to reduce electricity costs. By opting for energy-efficient lighting, you contribute to a greener environment while ensuring that your outdoor lighting is just as effective in providing security and safety. These options are not only better for the planet but also more cost-effective over time. Conclusion. Flower Mound Outdoor Lighting offers numerous benefits that enhance the security, safety, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you want to deter criminal activity, prevent accidents, improve visibility, or simply create a more inviting atmosphere, outdoor lighting is a smart and practical solution. With a variety of lighting options available, from motion sensors to energy-efficient LED fixtures, there's no reason not to invest in outdoor lighting to protect your home and loved ones. By installing the right lighting, you'll not only enhance your property's safety but also increase its value, creating a more secure, welcoming environment for years to come.